In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Grow a Garden Discord server. We'll walk through Discord's built-in Discover feature so you can find the right community quickly and safely. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what you're looking at, and how to confirm your join so the server appears in your sidebar. Start inside the Discord app or the web version. On the left sidebar, look for the small compass icon. That icon opens the Discover section, which is where Discord lists public communities and helpful apps. Click the compass to open Discover. Give it a second to load. A search bar will appear at the top, along with two main areas you can browse: apps and servers. Here, you can search for both apps and servers, but for this task, we're focusing on servers. Make sure you're viewing the server section, then click into the search bar and type Grow a Garden. Spelling matters in search, so type it just like that. If you initially land on the apps view, switch to servers so you're seeing community results instead of tools or bots. Scan the results until you see the Grow a Garden server entry. You can open it to view a short description and the member count, which helps confirm you've found the right place. When you're ready, select the server and press Join. Discord will show a quick confirmation. Click Confirm. In some cases, you may see a brief pop-up with community rules or a simple verification. Just follow the on-screen prompt to proceed. After you confirm, the server is added to your left sidebar automatically. You'll land on the server's welcome or general channel, and you can start exploring channels right away. If the server uses role menus or a welcome guide, take a moment to read it so you can get the most out of the community. If search doesn't surface the server on the first try, double-check that you're in the server section, then try the same name again. Discover updates quickly, so a short refresh can help. And if you don't see the compass icon at all, update your Discord app or try the desktop or web version, where Discover is easy to find. And that's all. Open Discover with the compass, go to Servers, search for Grow a Garden, select the server, hit Join, and confirm. You're in. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time in the Grow a Garden community.